Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine. Please open your English books and here is a list of contents. Students, so far we have completed the lesson number 4, Pothole and the Moon, which is our poem. And we are going to skip our lesson number 5, Message in a Bottle and My Playmate, right? So we are going to jump to lesson number 6, which is our last lesson of this semester, the Flying Machine one. We are now excluding lesson number 5, Message in a Bottle and My Playmate, right? Okay, open your page number 53, the Flying Machine 1. As concerns of this story or this lesson, this is a story about a boy whose name is Sami, and there is another character in the story, Uncle Sami's character, who is uncle of that younger boy Sami. Students, Sami is a very intelligent boy and having some extraordinary qualities. Once what happened, he drew a picture of a flying machine. Meanwhile, his uncle Salim entered in his room and pleased to see Sami's drawing of that flying machine. But Uncle Salim joked and laughed and said that this flying machine having no engine. Yes, because it was just a piece of drawing. But right at that moment, Salim decided to make a real flying machine with engine. So let's read further how he could have managed to do it and how he did it and how he proved himself being a very intelligent boy. Okay? Keep your pencils in your hands to underline the hard words, please. Sami was sitting on his bed and thinking. He had a pencil and a piece of paper in his hand. He was drawing a flying machine. Students, let's discuss first what is flying machine. Flying machine is a vehicle that sustains itself in and propels itself through the air, as in aeroplane or a helicopter like that. Okay. So what Sami was doing and thinking, he was thinking something else and he was having his pencil in his hand and then he was drawing a flying machine. Sami's design was nearly finished. It was a good design, and underline the word design. Design mean a plan that you draw, like this is the design of a flying machine. Okay. And he was very happy. At that moment, he heard a knock at the front door and ran to see who is it. So, hello, Uncle Salim, he cried. Come in, come and see my design. What I told you, the meaning of design, a plan or drawing of something that shows how it is to be made. So, Sami was very happy with his drawing, and in that happy moment, meanwhile when he was drawing, his uncle Salim entered in his room, and he cried with happiness to see him, and he showed him his design of that flying machine. Uncle Salim was old and fat and had a long mustache and a shiny bald head. Underline the word bald. It means no hair on head. So this is the appearance of Uncle Salim. They are telling in this paragraph that Uncle Salim was fat and bald, having no hairs on his head, having mustache, long mustache and shiny bald head. Sami showed him his flying machine. Good drawing, said Uncle Salim with a laugh, but it won't fly. Why did he laugh? He said it won't fly. Just as a matter of fun, he said so. Why not? Asked Sami. It's too small, said Uncle Salim. He thought a little and pulled at his mustache. Besides, he continued, it's got no engine. Sami, as I told you in the beginning of the story, he was not a routine boy. He was a very intelligent boy with extraordinary qualities. So he said, why it can't fly? Then Uncle Salim replied, because it is too small, and the important thing is that it is not having engine besides. It does not have an engine. Who said this? Sami said this. It's glider, and I am going to start work on it this week. Come back in 2 months and I'll give you a ride. Underline the word glider. Students, glider is an aircraft without an engine which flies by floating on air currents, right? So Sami was taking the joke of Uncle Salim as a challenge, and he said that if you will come and visit me after 2 months, then I will give you a ride on my glider. All right, said Uncle Salim, let's see what happens. You see, Uncle Salim was not ready to believe on him. Okay, but he said, okay, let's see what happens. Over the next few days, Sami worked very hard. What he did, what he worked on, he collected lots of bamboo and string. Underline the word bamboo. Students, bamboo is a tall plant grown in hot countries and often used to make furniture, right? You can say it is a plant that used to make furnitures. And string, underline the word string. It means a long thin piece of twisted thread and a great deal of old newspaper. He borrowed a knife and a screwdriver. Underline the word screwdriver. Screwdriver is a tool with a flattened shape tip. He gathered all these things. Why? He collected lots of bamboo and string, then lots of newspaper, then a knife and a screwdriver. Why? Because he was planning to make a glider. At the back of his house was an empty garage. Underline the word garage. Students, garage is a place where you can get your car or things repaired. Sami said to his father, Father, I need a workshop. I am making a flying machine. His father laughed. All right, he said, use the garage but don't make too much noise. What do you think? Why did his father laugh? Same as Uncle Salim laughed, right? They were just thinking that he is making... he was a young guy, that is why they were not taking him seriously, right? But his father asked him that you can use the garage but don't make noise there. Students, mention today's date here till noise. Inshallah, we will complete our lessons right from here tomorrow. Hope you have understood and enjoyed the story of a little boy. And let's see tomorrow that how he would be able to manage to make a glider or an flying machine. Okay? Till then, stay blessed. Goodbye.